So what are the top 10 stocks in the world? Check this video out. Here's just sobrang yaman niya guys. Sobrang yaman niya, super. Okay, hey guys, we're here with Jess Uy. Sumabi ka ba, Jess? Medyo nag-gain ka ba ng weight?
Yes.
Talaga, ilang pounds? So, update mo sila sa weight gain journey mo, Jess.
Hindi ko alam kung ilan
Ilang
pounds,
pounds na?
basta alam ko marami.
Okay, talaga? From the last video, comment below kung napansin nyo sa last video kung meron ba nag-change. I don't know, yun yung icebreaker natin for the video. But speaking of increase, speaking of growth, let's not talk about just the growth of your tummy. But what are the top funds in the world based on Singapore with Singapore currency? So, top 10 na lang as of July 16, 2019, no? And then, context ito is, Jess will rank it according to fund. Then, you can see the slides below on what it is so that it can be a reference also for you on what performed for the year. By the way, meron ba nakakatakot this year na dapat na, kasi trade war started, yes? So, yun lang ba yung pinaka-major prevailing macroeconomic issue or global economic issue?
Oh, you're asking me?
Yeah, I'm asking you. Is it one of the biggest underlying?
Yeah. Definitely that would be one of the kumbaga, topics that's always been discussed among different economies and mga politicians, mga investors. And I think if you really look at what's happening recently, the prospect of a rate cut in the US kind of like propelled the market to new highs.
So what
parang na-discount na yung
na-cancel din yung
yes.
Parang fear na nandun. So what are we seeing before we disclose and reveal the top 10? Ilan yung funds na directly sa states nag-i-invest out of the top 10 na meron tayo? Na US, at least US stocks, either tech or not tech.
Actually, a lot of them are related to US or China.
China.
Yeah. In fact, to be honest, before nag-escalate tong trade war with Trump in the earlier part of the year, China was the number one fund.
Okay.
They were up around...
What month was this?
Around mga February, March.
Okay, sige. Okay, let's start. Number 10.
From the bottom or from the top?
Bottom.
On the top na lang, mas mabilis.
The bottom
Okay,
up, para may beating
5, 6,
factor.
7, 8,
So, I want to know the name of the fund, tsaka if you percent key niya this year, tapos saan siya naka-invest. Go.
Okay, so...
Number 10.
Number 10 is US fund.
US fund, okay.
Franklin Templeton.
Okay. Ilang percent?
Its year to date is 29.19%.
Okay, bakit? Ano na pa akyat sa kanya?
Well, generally the US stock market
okay.
has been doing very
So
well.
29. So automatic the 10th highest fund outperformed the Philippine market.
Yes.
Okay, so but by the way, no, while we're making this video, the Philippine market is bullish. It's probably around 22-23% for the year, but
Really?
Franklin Templeton is around, sorry, not for the year, but from the lowest point, November.
Point.
November 2018. Before na gano. Anyways, pero mataas na rin dapat siya for the year. Yung year to date. Okay, so number 9.
We'll get some data for that.
Number 9.
Number 9 is actually it's the same. It's just using a different funding method.
Okay, so Franklin Templeton again?
Yes.
US market. Paano funding? What does that mean?
Kasi in Singapore, you can use your cash to invest and then you can use your CPF.
Okay, so ito CPF. Okay, so parang pareho lang siya.
Yes, technically the same.
Next.
It's just that the funding method is
next
different.
one.
Next one is global technology.
Okay, global technology. Ilang percent?
30.21.
30.21. So this one are majority tech stocks.
Yes.
Pero not necessarily in the US.
Not necessarily in the US, but it's I would say this predominantly US.
Okay. So I can guess that kung meron na US stock dyan, probably Samsung.
Well, tingnan natin. I can open
so
the
ilang percent to again?
30.21.
30.21%. Very, very interesting. Sige, what at least yung top, I assume may Facebook dyan. I assume may Google. I assume may Apple.
Meron yan.
I assume may Netflix. I assume also I don't know, the relatively stable and secure tech stocks already.
Yeah.
And fastest growing are there. So sige, okay lang. You have that, and the next one.
Next one is it's
Number
it's
8.
almost the same. It's
Okay.
still technology.
Okay, 6.
Yeah, after that is China.
China, okay.
China A-share.
China A-share ilang percent?
China A-share 32.
32, okay.
32.0.
Parang bumaba, 33 kanina, di ba?
Hindi, that was 30.21.
30.21. Okay, China shares. Next.
After
So,
that,
pangilan nyo yun? Kasama yung mga kapareho. So kasama ba sa top 10 natin yung kapareho?
yung iba may
Oh, sige,
double
okay,
na.
next one.
Fintech.
Okay, fintech. Fintech fund?
32.14. Yep.
Pero malamang US exposure dito.
Yes. Most
Okay.
likely. Yeah.
Okay, next one.
We can go into more details later. But I need
Nako,
the
dapat
internet for that.
ready mo na. Okay, pero okay lang. Sige, next.
Kailangan internet eh.
Okay lang.
China A-share again.
China A-share.
But different fund
Funding
manager.
method. Okay, next one.
No, different fund
Oh,
manager.
fund manager. Okay.
Kasi ngayon, JP Morgan.
Ah.
Kanina, Franklin Templeton.
Okay, pero isn't that parang index fund na yung when you say China A-share?
No, because when we're
Okay.
talking about, parang they're talking about like Phil Equity and family, right?
So purely equity fund, discretion ng fund managers.
They are allowed to
Buy
have
whatever they
a
want.
slightly different
Okay.
allocation.
Okay.
So that's why similar usually yung nasa top.
Okay. Next. Ilang percent to?
This
So
one
China-
is 34.59.
What fund? What company?
Dito JP Morgan.
JP Morgan kanina.
Kanina that was that was BlackRock.
BlackRock. Okay, next one.
The next one is World Technology.
World Technology Company.
BlackRock.
Ilang percent?
34.92.
34.9. Okay, next one.
Next is Allianz.
Allianz,
China A-shares.
China na
again.
naman. So puro madami China.
Yes, malakas
So,
actually
so
China.
even may they will be hit because of the trade war, discounted na yung lahat na nangyayari.
Okay, yeah.
Ilang percent muna yan?
35.79.
Okay, go.
Number 1.
Okay, so number 1. Yun na yung number 1.
No. Hindi pa yun number 1 kasi mga 30 plus lang natin.
Okay.
Number 1 is 40%.
40%.
Yep.
Ilan? Company.
40.46.
Company.
Next generation tech.
Okay. So, pero where's that exposed? US,
Ganun.
malamang US.
Most likely US.
Okay, but saan mo number 1 na to?
Number 1.
Okay, that's the highest already? That's our top?
Year to date, yes.
Okay, so run them through. Majority prevailing na this year is either Chinese exposed na stocks
Chinese or technology.
or technology stocks, either specifically sa US or global.
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, now this is my next question. Given the majority of those stocks are up now, if I am an investor that wants to branch out into global funds, do you recommend that they buy the top 10 stocks that have been performing well? By the way, for those who don't know, Jess is a financial planner in Singapore. He does all of this investing for clients and people who want to invest outside the country as well. If you want, I'll try to put a link below on how you can get in touch with him as well, on how you can invest using funds abroad. So anyways,
Ito yung top holdings ng next gen.
okay, ano yung top holdings sa next gen? Number 1.
You probably won't hear them.
So pero Chinese,
Number 1 is
startup.
next gen.
Startup siya. Startup. Mostly startup tech.
They're big enough, I would say.
Pero what's the biggest company there na tech?
Their biggest allocation is Twilio. I don't know what that is.
Okay, so wala yung mga Google,
Wala.
Apple na play doon. Wala. Okay.
Those are more the typical technology fund.
Okay, so
Yeah.
so this one they're trying to look for alpha na outside
Yes,
that.
yes.
Okay.
So actually, if you look at this, there's a 5% differential from the number 1 to the number 2.
Okay.
And then the rest are close to each other.
So 40%. Okay. So back to my question. Since the highest is 40%, the lowest is 28? Top 10 sa top
On the
10?
top 10, yes.
28, 40,
29.
29. Do you recommend that they buy the stocks, the funds that are in this top 10?
Typically, I would buy something similar, but depends on when. So if it's today,
Today, as in today, they have the money now. They say, okay, I want to invest, I want to come in now.
pwede pa, but they just need to be mindful that
Okay.
Because it already has run, you probably won't be able to extract as much. You could probably extract maybe at most mga equal to what we have now, and then may 50% to 100% of what we have now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you recommend that among the 10, ano yung prioritize nila doon? The highest one, the lowest one, or among kahit saan sa linista mo, what's...
Kasi yung choice ko actually wala sa top 10.
Okay, pero if they'll just fix a top 10, what do you... Pag yan lang, for
I would go for technology.
technology. But the number one, yung...
If I'm okay with volatility, then I would probably put some money there. But it's something na pag naglalagay ako, hindi ko na babalikan. I won't look at it anymore.
Talaga? Pikit mata na lang?
Yeah, pikit mata na yan. Kasi these are small companies, meaning if there's a recession,
They'll be hit.
they'll be hit
So,
a lot
tingin mo kung
worse than the big ones.
Kung mag-recession next year, tingin mo matatamatan na sobra?
Definitely, kasi tawag yan, smaller companies are more prone to economic downturns compared to the bigger ones.
Okay. Should something bad happen next year, first sign of the news, you're tell them to sell, get out, or do they add more?
Well, for my clients kasi, hindi pa nangyayari yan, mag-exit
Okay.
na kami.
Kaya nga, so...
Kasi normally kasi nangyayari is that if you wait until it's going down, it's already too late.
Okay, yeah, I mean, when you hear news that it's not good anymore, you go out already.
If my clients can execute right away, we can.
Okay.
Yeah, but siguro kasi tingin ko meron pa yung a few months at least to to hit all-time highs. Kasi actually ngayon, US already all-time high.
Yeah, they are.
Diba?
Triggered by a lot of tech stocks as well.
My gut feel is that probably this month or next month there will be some correction. Because the upside move from the low last December is already very stretched. Sobrang bilis na ng akyat eh.
Okay, totoo.
It recovered all the downward movement from last year. That was kasi yung last quarter of last year, it wiped out all the gains for 2 years.
Okay.
Yeah, so ang lakas ng yung movement nun. Yeah.
Alright, so that's it. So those are the top 10 stocks based in Singapore, using the Singapore currency, no? That's investing in different parts of the world as well. So that's it for now. I hope this report is something that's very educational to you, and I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you. Bye-bye.